Welcome to Beyond the Data Sheet. I'm Jeff Labash, Solution Consultant with Kendall Electric. In this video, we'll walk you through how to get our new FactoryTalk Optix installed, configured, and ready for your first screen. Now you'll be able to try the new FactoryTalk Optix panel in your next HMI application without guesswork. To get started, we need to first download the FactoryTalk Optix Studio software. The two best methods to accomplish this are to go to Google and type in FactoryTalk Optix Download. Click Try It Now. Fill out a short questionnaire and click Submit. That will take you directly to the download site. The other method to get FactoryTalk Optix downloaded is to click on the PCDC if you're familiar with that. Search inside the PCDC for Optix. Click on FactoryTalk Optix, and here we're going to look for FactoryTalk Optix Studio, and we're going to download the latest version. Let's open FactoryTalk Optix Studio. Here we'll create a new application. We're using an Optix panel, so we'll select Optix panel. We've purchased a 7-inch compact panel. The licensing is included, nothing else to buy. We're going to name our project My First Optix Panel and click Create. See, we're creating a new project. Now we're into Optix Studio. To get started, we'll start with our default style sheet. We'll double click that. It brings up the properties window to the right. We're going to change our screen color to gray for this application. Just type in gray. Unless you know the hexadecimal code, you're able to enter that as well. We're going to create some screens. So in our main window, we'll create screen 1. We'll create another screen, which is screen 2. In our main window, we'll have a navigation panel. We're going to stretch this to match the size of our screen. And we're going to add an image. Main window, new, drawings, image. Here's our image. We'll click this down to the middle of the screen. We'll expand it a little bit. We'll double click, and this is where we select our image. We're going to look for files. I have this saved on my desktop. There's our image. We will select it. We will center it. We'll apply screen 1 to our first tab. We'll apply screen 2 to our second tab. And there we have our first main window with the drawing. We need to download it to the Optix panel. We'll select emulator. We're hooked up via Ethernet cable. This just happens to be the 7 compact. You see the name of the Optix panel there. This is our IP address. We have the username of admin. And then we'll select. Now we press play. We're saving the project and we're downloading it to the panel. Type in our password. Now that the program has been downloaded to the device, you're ready to continue building out your application. If you're changing platforms, sometimes the hardest part is just getting started. And that's why we keep these focused. Real steps, shared for experts, by experts.